reactivated, but it is not going to just reactivate like this disappointment from this.
Many of you have the high energy, raise your hand, guys.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to another day of this live. It is MFP Money Foundation program. And in this Money Foundation program, if you'll pay attention very, very closely, I'm sure few of you may mint some money, and trust me. Okay? There is a reason behind it I'm talking. So today what we are going to learn today is very, very important. Like yesterday, you had idea in the Money Foundation program that how you can converse with the universe, and where the money is the element of the universe. Okay. You understood the framework, that how the conversation happened, how to get the success in sage mode. That was the intent of day one. Now day two is that now, because you are getting that you need to get success in a sage mode, like as I said, every one of you are a king or queen, prince or princess. It means that you too have the power to bless yourself and get the similar result what the ancient old sages and saints used to provide, mere by the power of words to other people. So this powerful word, these powerful words can be re-triggered and can be reactivated, but it is not going to just reactivate like that, because you will have to calculate, you will have to ponder upon how much power from the words we have lost and we have been losing by telling lie in a subtle manner. Say, for example, if someone has invited you somewhere and you are about to reach and you are at the road itself, but you when the person is checking, the host is checking, and you say, hey, I have reached, I'm there in the parking. It doesn't make sense. That time, the power of the words is losing. It is going to get shallow. Okay? Because you made a lie, you told a lie. And it is also two-way conversation. It is not just to a person, because your body holds a sky element, and all the words spoken are there available in the space. And the space and the sky is the part of body that gets activated as well, which does not align with what you say and what you do, and thereby it gets nullified. And it will continue to lose the power of words. How to bring that power again? That you can bring that by minding your words. Apply some positive groups of words. Like whenever you will be seeing me to speak or to converse with someone, you won't find even a single negative word. Okay, or disempowering word. Let me tell you in that non-supporting word. So if you are always using supportive words, empowering words and positive words, if your vocab and your dictionary has only those collections, trust me, it is going to get strengthened every single day. And more you will practice. See, now the power has lost, and to gain back that power, you will have to strengthen it, right? In this, let me relate this with one example where one person, the group of person were given one small thin sticks, and they were asked to break them. They were able to break, but when they were given the bundle of the sticks, all those four sticks were first collected well and accumulated well and given to parties, to people. They were not able to break it because it was strengthened well. So strength cannot be broken, but the hollow, the lie, and the obsolete things can go away, can get faded. So see that whether your words are getting those power or not, and thereby align the sky element inside you and with whom you are conversing, and with the real sky, with the abundant sky, with the unlimited sky, with the limitless sky. Okay, so when this alignment comes in, then there is the further few steps which I'm going to tell you. Now, it is said that let's talk about those money which we converse are made up of metals in India. Because I'm streaming from India, I'll be talking about the Indian currency. Few of you may get some surprised, you know, economic surprises, you may call it. You would be surprised to see some amount coming in your bank. I'm serious because it has happened in the past, and that's the reason I'm sharing this with you. All right. So having said so, let me continue. I'll be changing the timing as well to come over here. So this is very important. After you have activated the sky element, now the time that you have to activate the soil element, water element. Okay. Soil means earth element and the water element as well. Why? Because the currency, money is made up of money grows on tree. Why? Because the tree is made up of soil, sunlight, air, and water. Everything is there inside that tree, and tree gets processed after getting cut. And during these processes, then the currency paper gets ready, and those currency paper then get shaped and come into the market. So actually, your money grows on tree. That's number one. Number two, the coins are made up of metal. Metal gets you get metal from earth only, so it has got the earth element as well. So you need to activate your earth element, your sky element, and your water element, and you have to channelize those, align it, and make it so much powerful. The moment it gets in the contact of any other object which have the similar element, it gets attracted towards. This is the simple science. But how to do that? That is the separate subject and separate topic altogether. If you really want to learn about it in detail, we may have a different session regarding this later, or we may have the different session somewhere else. If you are really excited about that, you can ping me that you can't control yourself. By the way, don't get desperate, but trust me that at the end of this, the session, tell me if you have made some amount. Okay, because I am just putting some intent as well over here for all of you who you are listening to, that definitely you are going to make some surprised amount, be it stuck money recovered. But it's not the way, it is not meant for that. So the meaning of this, that you understand the money foundation and then you start applying the things so that you get the result. So this was about the activating three elements, that was air, water, and earth inside your body, align with the outer element, and then attract money. It's simple. Now I'll be coming with the third formula, that how to nullify. Now the resources are ready, right? But to resource to work, you need to allow them to work. If you continue to hinder, you continue to interrupt, they won't get on work. So how to get them on the work, that is something which is coming next day. So stay tuned for the day 3, where you will learn how to allow money and you to come in the contact. Okay, so that too you need to allow. Okay, how will you allow that? You will learn in the next day, that is on day 3. Thank you so much for listening. If you made something, please confirm in the chat window, and if you want someone else to get benefited and he's the genuine person or she is the one, so you can definitely invite in this group, because again, this is out of the gratitude for you to bringing me in top 10% of super speaker. Thank you so much. Results are yet to out, but remember to be the part of this MFP Money Foundation program on day 3. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Love, light, and blessings.